Dear aspirants, it's been my proud privilege to train candidates for the SSB for the previous about 15 years now. And it is only during this period of the lockdown that I've actually come to realize the power of one-to-one interaction with the candidate. While sitting in a big class, in an offline session, it is sometimes difficult to connect with every candidate, as also some of the shy candidates tend to keep the doubts with themselves. They don't feel confident enough to stand up and ask a doubt, and sometimes they feel that the doubt may be too frivolous, and somebody may laugh on your doubt because you think it may be stupid. And for that reason, many candidates do not ask questions and they carry their doubts home. Whereas in a one-to-one online interactive session, what I've come to realize is that I am able to convey the points or drive the points home much better, because I can actually see the body language and from the mannerism of the candidate, whether he or she has understood the point clearly or not. And since time is not a constraint, so I'm able to repeat whatever that I'd spoken, or I'm able to make the person understand with another logic. And the candidate is also free to ask me as many doubts as he or she may like to ask. And therefore, the very satisfaction that I get out of training candidates one-to-one is no comparison with what I would get in an offline session. So I would like to recommend to many of you all who haven't taken up these sessions as yet, to most welcome, you can join up. You could enroll by calling up Lieutenant Vijay Kumar on his number, which is 94651 I repeat again, 94651 So you can enroll yourself, and ideally, if you're doing so, I would recommend that you take up 2 sessions initially. That is your PPDT session and the psych session, because for that you really do not need a ground, or you really do not need much of other paraphernalia, and I am able to convey to you exactly what is the rationale of the test and what is being seen by the assessor when he puts you through. And when we have the practice sessions, I'm able to pinpoint exactly what is going wrong in the approach to the test that the candidate does. And then it is actually very satisfying for me when I see the result coming right there, and the candidate is able to perform better than the previous session. So by and by, if not completely preparing you for the SSB, this session will put you on the proper track for carrying out self-preparation, especially during this period that you cannot go for an offline session. So you can continue to prepare from home. And of course, I'm always there for any doubts that you may have. And I keep getting calls every day of the candidates that I've taught, and I keep clarifying their doubts. So you're most welcome to enroll and join me for these interactive sessions. They are absolutely joyful experiences for me, and I draw a lot of satisfaction out of training candidates one-to-one. Second point that I would like to highlight here is that I have also started off with a new channel, which is called the Posts from DJ's Barn. This is a YouTube channel. So I will also be sending you a link of this channel at the end of this video, so you can subscribe to the channel. In this channel, I'm putting all relevant videos for the SSB preparation that you may find very useful. As also, I'm planning to put some other videos pertaining to life in the armed forces, and certain important or interesting anecdotes from my own service life, and other important information besides the SSB preparation that I would be putting out on this channel. So if you would subscribe to this channel, you will keep getting notifications, and then we will of course remain in touch through this YouTube channel as well. All the best. Thank you so much.